Hi, I'm Marna, and this is what I've been working on this rainy morning. I'm getting, yes, already, I am getting ready for Puddle in June, and that's the pull-up. I call it a con because it offers stuff all weekend. Look it up. You're going to be interested in that. I have this many to do. So what I do is I do a few every time I'm sewing. When I change the color of my thread, I look to see if it's going to work out, or I take a day and just make 25. I'm working on more of these little tote bags for the Smart Dolls. Excuse me. I'm going to get some up on our site. These two are going up pretty quick. And then I hope to, still today, use this fabric. Let's open this. And I got this remnant really cheap. I thought it was cute for fall. The print is a little big, I'll admit it. It's a little big, but it's cute. And I thought with a full skirt, what I'm going to try to do is long sleeves, good darts, and a full skirt. Now, can I do it? I don't know, but I like it. And I've never sewn for the, what are they called, Boobalicious?
Yep.
Before. And as you can see, she's still standing there thinking about a face-up. I don't know yet. But that's what I'm working on today. What are you working on? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.